Well, while the kids are putting together their last little bit, it's cruise day. I'm gonna run down, I'm gonna get some gas in the car. I'm gonna get some coffee while they fight that out and figure out whose toothbrush is missing. And we're gonna get out of here in about an hour. So we're on about 4 hours of sleep, maybe a little less. Julie definitely a little bit less, because on cruise day eve, we got to make sure that we got everything ready to go. So Julie was up late printing up duck tags and door decorations and making sure we got the last little bit of stuff in the beach bag. So I'll get the gas in the car, give her a couple extra minutes of sleep, because it's cruise day.
All right, here it is, cruise day. Everybody's in the car. I'm the last one to wrap up the house, and here we go.
We're on time. Let's go.
All right, guys, we made it. We made it. We made it on time. We're out of the house, and we are on our way to the port. But first, we're gonna meet up, and we're gonna caravan over there. So, you ready, Brian?
I'm ready. We are on our way. We are on time.
You might think that we're starting to get the hang of it. I don't know.
And no shortcuts today. Always stop for coffee on our way to the port. We found our group here. Look at all those bright yellow shirts. They're like a traffic cone or something here. And it looks like when you walk into a Dunkin' Donuts and you just find all your friends that are on the way to the port. Are you lost?
Yes.
Little coffee, little donuts, and let's hit the road.
Here we go, guys. And we made it. We're parked. Oversized lot. And we're getting ready to walk over the ship. A little bit of a liquid sunshine here today, but it's all right.
It's nice to be home.
What?
What day is it? What day is it?
Cruise day. All right, guys, so we are here. It's 10:32. We have 11 o'clock and 11:30 boarding time. All right, let's go. Let's go. The tunnel.
Julie, we gotta get you a cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha.
We are boarding Oasis of the Seas. We made it. Beautiful Oasis of the Seas. Yep, it's up top. Rising tide is up top. Guys, we're on Oasis and I'm home. I love it.
Before we can do anything, we got to get this muster thing taken care of. So we're going to find our muster station. And just like that, muster is done. So super quick, use your app, go to your muster station, check in, they scan your card, watch a little demo, and now we go get our drink cups and our wow bands and say hi to YouTube. Hey. There you go. We love the crew. Man, these guys are awesome. Right back to the Royal Promenade, and let's get this vacation started.
Yeah.
It looks like the rest of the crew is getting here. That's funny.
We're going up to the boardwalk.
Now we're hungry, now we're thirsty. Gotta find the rest of our group. This promenade is awesome, but it's time for food. Our beautiful, beautiful promenade and our favorite bar, the Schooner Bar. And let's head out to one of our favorite places, the boardwalk.
First drink of the cruise. Cheers.
Cheers. Over at Playmakers on the boardwalk. Not a long line. Everybody else is down in the promenade. We come up here. It's a little wet today, but I like it.
And look, we shop at the same store. Let's go.
Well, we made it up to the Lime and Coconut on 16. Nobody's made it here yet because it's a little bit rainy. We found some old friends who do not want to be on camera, and we're gonna spin until we get them. So there they are. We have found my old buddy JR, who we've known for over 20 years, and we're cruising together again, and this is awesome. And hey, let me show you the Statue of Liberty right now because it's not there. It's there. Oh, I'm sorry. It is there right there somewhere, but it is a rainy day on the Oasis of the Seas right now. But it's not gonna stop us. We're out here. You know what? When you're cold on a cruise ship, there is a way to warm up when you are on a cruise ship. And how is that you warm up when you're on a cruise ship? Hey! So, if you get cold on a cruise ship, just find a hot tub and all your problems are solved. So, we're gonna wait for sail away, we'll go get some dinner, and we're just gonna find people. Oh look, people are joining us. I just found a really short guy.
Hey, buddy, old pal, old buddy. Hey, it's a fogged up situation out here in New York. This was like this was in December when we went to Freedom Towers. It's
I
all
know,
fogged
right?
up.
Every time they come here, oh, there's Kevy. Every time they come here, we got fog. So hopefully we get some better weather later. But we're about an hour away from sail away, so let's enjoy.
What are we doing, Kev?
We're going under the bridge.
Yeah.
No, she's got Ariana on.
Hey, Kim! Thank you. We will have a great cruise. We have a lot of friends with us. We are looking very much forward to this cruise. We've been looking forward to this cruise for a long time. Whoa.
That is awesome. That's awesome.
Hold on. Well, we have made it to the main dining room. We are down on deck 3 tonight. We've got our whole group here. Everybody is sitting nice and close. So we're not all at one table because we're too big for one table, but we've got a couple tables here. Everybody's sitting with their families. We got the whole group together all in one. We got our dinner ordered. Looking like a good menu tonight. We got the prime rib coming. What do you got tonight, Jewel?
I got escargot. I'm happy.
Oh, Julie's got her first night escargot. The kids have their little menu that turned into a little game here, and
My menu.
we barely made it down here tonight. We were having so much fun at Sail Away. We came rushing to our room. All of our luggage has been delivered. Everything's great. We met our room steward.
They're right here.
Julie's got our wine, and we got those martinis coming. Those look like they belong right over there. Matching gin martinis for the in-laws. So we're gonna check this dinner out. We're gonna check out the show, and then hopefully we'll see you again at the balloon drop.
All right, so day 1, we sailed away. We went to dinner. We pretty much got unpacked, and we, let's see, decorated our doors. So our doors are all set. Let's see here. And Katie, what are you doing?
I wrote on our question.
You're leaving? You're writing what we did? Oh, we went to the promenade. Very good. Awesome.
I didn't.
And now what are we going to do?
I didn't. They did.
Where are we going?
To the ice skating show.
To the ice skating show. So dinner was great. Main dining room. And I just decided to put on some long pants. Ice skating rink is not that cold, but I've been a little chilly because for the first time our sail away was not 90 degrees.
A little chilly.
Yeah.
So one of the coolest things on an Oasis class ship is we've got an ice rink at sea. So we're sitting here, we're ready for the Frozen in Time show.
We made it to the show. It's been a long first day. I'm tired, but this is a great show. We can't wait to see it. It's one of our favorites. You know, if anybody has watched any of your stuff before, we really like ice skating. We love ice hockey. We love figure skating. So this one is right up our alley. It's a good one. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's see it.
Let's do it.
There's a flute in a flute or a mellow moaning cello.
Hold on a second, please. And 10:19, we are totally fried. Like, not gonna make it another minute. So we are headed back to the room. All right, so we made it back to the kids' room. They have a boardwalk balcony, and let me just show you guys, especially at night. Hey, Kev. Everybody's pretty fried. We are getting ready to take a really good rest. We told the kids if we could make it to the balloon drop, it's 10:26. If we can make it, we would, but everybody has to at least be in pajamas and try to take a nap before then. If you know, you know. But let's take a look at this.
Don't drop your phone.
I will not drop my phone. Got playmakers down there, Johnny Rockets, the bottom of the Ultimate Abyss, and of course, the Aqua Theater. There's no Aqua show tonight, but there is a movie playing, and they play it in the Aqua Theater. Not a bad view. All right, so we're gonna get in jammies, we're gonna rest, we're gonna close our eyes and try to get some good rest, because tomorrow is our first full day at sea, and we're hoping to have a great day.
It is now almost 11 o'clock at night. Our kids can't hang. Well, they're kids, so they're exhausted. So we're trying to get them down, but the rest of the crew is still up here at the scooter bar. So we got everybody here. And hopefully these kids go to sleep and Julie can make it back down so we can enjoy some of this nice party we got going on here at the Royal Promenade, because we got a big party happening here.
To have a great cruise.
Well, we've been talking about it for years, and we want to make sure we make it to a balloon drop, and we made it to a balloon drop. And now it's time for a little late night pizza. And there's nothing better than late night pizza
That was
with
so fun. That was really cool. I liked it.
nothing better than late night pizza with friends. We're still sitting at the bar, we're still having a good time. That's gonna be the end of the vlog for day one on the Oasis of the Seas. Like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell because we got a whole lot more coming for you from the Oasis of the Seas.